Metal kids, how we doing? Merry Christmas Eve. It is Todd from ToJu Racing. You know, since it's Christmas Eve, we should get to open a box. And this is a present I bought for myself. So if you would like to see this unboxing of what may be in the box on a Wednesday, which is today, Christmas Eve, let's just stay tuned and you will see it. Here we go, Metal. Metal kids, how we doing? Welcome to What May Be in the Box on a Wednesday. This is another one from the real Adam Hurt. I'm branching out here a little bit on this one, but we'll see what you guys think. I haven't decided the fate of this car just yet, but we shall see. Should I be a jerk? I'm sitting here thinking about it, but I won't do that to you guys because just doing this would not really equate to me being very nice. But you know, I do want to make you guys wait, but I'm not gonna. We'll go ahead and open it up right now. Nice packing, Adam. Very good. All right, you can see this isn't a Carrera car. All right. Ta-da! Martini Lancia Beta from the 1981 Le Mans. This is a Sideways car, as you can see. Let's go ahead and get this baby out and get it on the turntable. Stand by. All right, gang, take a look at this beauty. The detail on this car is amazing. Much better than the Carrera one. Not to slam Carrera in any way. Yeah, we can't be racing other cars with this one on a digital sense. Those things will just snap on the first crash. But boy, she's a beautiful car. Number 67. Lots and lots of details on the livery and the exhaust, the interior, the cage, the driver. You can even see advertisements on the driver and the seat belt buckles and all that. Here, let me get that closer so you guys can get a look at it. That is extremely impressive. And these on the side, I can actually make out most of them. You got your driver's names there. Wow. What does that say? Full auto turbo? You can hear Anders up there doing his show. Just amazing. I don't know if these have lights or not in them. But yeah, she looks really good. We're not going to take this apart at this time. These things take a lot of tuning and work and all that. And I haven't decided. I might get a dual power box so I can run analog cars on the track as well, because I can't be racing this with other guys and crashing this, because this thing will crumple from what I understand. And I don't want to break nothing on it. It's really nice. So anyway, we've got ourselves a Sideways car now. So very cool. Well, wait a minute. Let's show the bottom. We should take this off and show you guys the bottom, right? So we're going to do that right now. There's some extra, I think these are some grub screws and some adjustment stuff there on the bottom. As you can see, it's an angle driver. And from what I understand, you can move the screws around and adjust things for the body float and all that stuff. This is very new for me, so, and yeah, I don't really want to convert this over, but yeah, very cool. Okay, I think you only use 2 screws to take the car apart. Then here's your adjustments. Then you can adjust the pod here, I guess. And maybe the body float there, I don't know. Anyway, we'll certainly work on that more, but very cool car. So, wow, just amazing. All right, everybody, so there is the Sideways Lancia Beta Group 5. Thanks, everybody, for tuning into this unboxing. Metal, have a great week. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.